Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add HTML code in WordPress. Alright, let's begin. Start by copying the HTML code you want to use. Once you have that ready, head over to your WordPress dashboard. From there, navigate to Pages. You can choose to either edit an existing page or create a new one. For this example, I'll be editing a page, but the steps are the same either way. Click on the page you want to edit, and once you're inside the editor, click the plus icon to add a new block. In the search bar, type HTML and select the custom HTML block that appears. Now simply paste your copied HTML code into that block. After pasting, click outside the block to make sure your code has been entered correctly. Then click on the Update or Publish, depending on your page status. You can then view the live page to confirm that the HTML has been added and is displaying as expected. So that's basically how you can add HTML code in WordPress. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.